Alright, welcome everybody to this video. In the previous lesson we showed you how to add new categories, new products, variable and simple product. Right now we're going to show you how you can change the currency of the store. Right now it's British pound. I need to change it to US dollars. So we go dashboard, and from dashboard you go WooCommerce, you go settings, and from there you could change the country. Like we're gonna change it to the United States, and let's choose Florida, and you just type the other settings over here. Like we need to add the code, the city of Tampa, the address like Boulevard over here, and we change the currency to USD. If you don't have that, just type US. You can see the US dollars currency over here. You just click save, and over here just refresh this page. You can see the prices are now with the dollars currency. That's pretty much how you change the currency of your store. How you change the content of the main page, add the product that we've created, and the recommended for you section, the bestseller product section. We can show you how to add that next video. See you next week, guys. Thank you for watching.